Okay, so let's start with our second looping animation. Let's create a new composition. We are going to call it as main animation. Width I'm going to choose 1920, height 180, frame rate 30, and duration is also 30 seconds, and background color is white. And simply hit OK. Go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title section. Then press Ctrl N to create another composition, and we are going to call it as box. And width I'm going to choose 1080, height 1080, frame rate is 30, and duration is also 30, and background color is white. And simply hit OK. Then press Ctrl Y to create one solid background, and over here we are going to choose orange color. Simply hit OK and hit OK like this. Then we are going to select our ellipse and we will delete this fill. We don't need this fill like this. Then go to the stroke and we are going to choose somewhere around like orangey color but light one, and by holding shift I'm going to create something like this. Now select the shape layer, press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically, and increase the stroke somewhere around like this, and press S and increase the size of it somewhere around like this. Okay, and also change the color of this one to light one like this. Now select this, right click, go to the layer styles and choose inner shadow. Go to the inner shadow and let's increase the distance up to, let's say, 20, and size we are going to increase it somewhere around like this. Also the color of this one, with the help of this picker I'm going to pick up this color and simply hit OK like this. So we'll get something like this. Now after that, select both the layers, press Ctrl Shift C, and we are going to call it as let's say 1OK. I don't have any proper name for that. Now I'm going to select my pen tool and choose black color for the stroke. Zoom out a little bit, and then from here to here I'm going to create one stroke, and stroke width let's choose 20 pixels. Select this, press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Select this, hit Ctrl D, press R for rotation, and let's rotate it on 90 like this. Right click, new, and create one null object. Select both the layers and make it apparent with this null. Select this null, press R for rotation, create one keyframe, go to around 4 seconds, and let's make this one complete rotation. Alt click on the stopwatch and type loop out expression on it like this. Okay, so you will get this kind of looping animation. If you want, then you can move this up to 6 seconds also, so it will take a little bit time like this. Now hit U to minimize all of this. Now select the ellipse and we are going to choose white color, and let's delete the stroke, and I'm going to move this one over here. Select this, press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the align tab, align it horizontally. Let's make this fit, and let's move this over here like this. Okay, now select this null object, hit Ctrl D, let's bring this at the top, then hit U. Select those keyframe, right click, keyframe assistance, and choose time reverse keyframes. Now select the shape layer and then make it apparent with this null. Okay, so we will get this animation in opposite direction like this. Now select this shape or layer, right click, go to the, let's say, layer styles and choose bevel emboss. Go to the bevel emboss and increase the softness and also increase the size, and go over here and shadow color. With the help of this picker I'm going to pick up this orangey color, and we will decrease this shadow opacity like this. Now let's minimize this. Select the shape layer, go to the effect and presets panel, search for drop shadow effect, double click to apply, increase the softness to 200, distance to 20, change the direction of it somewhere around over here, and with the help of this picker I'm going to pick up this color, or let's say choose a little bit of darker version of any color you want like this. Okay, so if you see, we will get this kind of stuff. Now select this shape layers and this null object, because this shape layers are parent with this. Let's press Ctrl Shift C and let's call it as mask and hit OK. Now select this layer, which is this one, and go to the and choose alpha mask or alpha inverted mask, so we will get something like this. Okay, let's go inside this mask, select this both layers, go to the stroke and choose 30 pixels like this. Okay, select both